Dear graduates of the Bachelor of Technology, major in Welding and Fabrication, Class of 2024. Congratulations on reaching this significant milestone in your academic journey. As you gather to celebrate your graduation on June 27, 2024, at Sorsogon State University, I want to take a moment to acknowledge your hard work, dedication, and perseverance that have brought you to this proud moment. The field of welding and fabrication is not just about joining materials, it is about building the future. Your expertise will contribute to advancements in infrastructure, technology, and industry. Embrace the responsibility with confidence, knowing that you have the skills and the determination to succeed. Congratulations once again, and may your future be filled with success and fulfillment. Warmest regards, Sir Harley, Sorsogon State University, welding instructor.
Ooh, baby, I love your way every day, yeah. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day. Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Hey, yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day, yeah. I wanna tell you I love your way every day, yeah, yeah. I wanna be with you night and day. The moon appears to shine and light the sky with the help of some firefly. I wonder how they have the power to shine, shine, shine. Well, I can see them under the vine. But don't, oh no, no, hesitate, la-di-da, 'cause your love just won't wait. Hey, yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day, yeah. I wanna tell you I love your way every day, yeah. I wanna be with you night and day. Oh baby, please. Every day. I will love you. I love you well. Baby, please. I can see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray and blue besides. Clouds are stalking islands in the sun. I wish I could buy one